What's up, guys? This is Toxic Stang back with another video. It's raining. I think I've started a video like this before, but I deleted it. So this is one of the daily vlogs. I'm going to start trying to do daily vlogs. I've figured out that there's a computer that I know of that it might have some editing software on it already. So I'm going to try to use that today. What's this dude doing out here without a hood on? As you can tell, this is a car vlog. Tomorrow might be a face vlog. I don't know. I guess we'll just have to see, right? I thought I was being followed a little bit earlier, but it turned out that it's just going somewhere else that was in the general direction I was going. Trying to figure out how I can get enough money to buy a GoPro for a four-wheeler and stuff like that. But I think I need to fix my four-wheeler first, of course, so I don't really know when that's going to come around. I had a brain lag there for a minute. So my controllers are getting way worse than they were already. Used to, it would just, it wouldn't recognize the code for maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, but it'd still be kind of playable. And now it's like every 3 minutes, it gets like that for, like a whole minute, and then in between there's like 3-minute intervals, almost 3-minute intervals where it's pretty playable. But that's just, that was just like a couple hours earlier. I'm not sure about later when I go back to play. One of my controllers came and run on Black Ops 3. So I'm telling what other games you can't run on, because it could just be not working for Black Ops 3. Could be something else. Let's take the back road. I didn't like how that guy right there was in behind me. Still ice on these mountains, as you can see. Real icy. I feel like I'm giving a tour around this back road now. There's a big old field over there, that big old field that I just talked about. It had a horse of mine in it. I think we sold it. Either we sold it to them or we let them keep it there for a little while and then we sold it to him. Not sure. I'd have to ask somebody about it, but I don't know if I could even get back to y'all on that or not, honestly. Its name was Big Red or some number. I don't remember the number. I just always stuck with Big Red. I know we're about bidding $152. Hey, if your refund comes, yeah.
Let's get it down that old big road.
I wouldn't ask you to get it for me now. There is a possible GoPro I could get. It's $150. It's on cut any of this off, I don't think.
I did.
Well, maybe a couple of seconds in between, like if I forget to say a word or something, forget how to say a word. That happens every now and then whenever I'm videoing. I'm sure y'all noticed.
Hopefully.
And hopefully we can keep this a PG channel when I am able to video the games, but the Farm Simulator series, I hope y'all like it. It's gonna be maybe 20 episodes,
Hopefully.
but it's gonna have, it's not even gonna be daily, it's gonna be wherever I get a chance, which probably be every day, but I need to actually make the video, and if I'm able to edit it, you know. Oh, still a little sick. I should have taken some medicine this morning, but I forgot to. It's also been hot in the car all day where I'm trying to keep it from fogging up in the rain. It's a lot cooler here. It's 61 in town and 51 up here by the lake and stuff. This road coming up to the right goes up to the lake. You can see the sign right there for all those that don't live here. Or anybody that's having trouble figuring out where I actually am that hasn't been up to the lake that does live around here. I don't think there's many of the people like that though. I hope everybody in Harlan goes up to the lake every now and then. I like going up there in the winter and seeing how it all froze over. The old lake wasn't froze over, which is really weird for how cold it got. And the new lake was froze over. Not all the way over, because it is basically, I mean, in a way, it's just a really wide river, but at the same time, it's got the dam there, but it's always got a bit of a current going through, I'm pretty sure. Well, it depends on a lot of stuff, anyways. I wonder, and if I'm able to, I'll go up to the lake a little bit later and show you guys if it still froze over. I don't think I put a video up if the lake froze over. Yeah, I did. He was about to say I did.
One of you throwing the rock,
Oh, yeah, one. Yeah, that rock wasn't that heavy, but I had to hold it a certain way so I could talk and stuff. But I gotta end it here, guys. Y'all go ahead and like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment.